Okay, Salito.
No!
What letter is this? What sound does it make? Good job.
A T.
You want the T? What sound does this make? Good job.
Pizza, Mommy.
No quiero, okay? What letter is this?
G, G, G.
What letter is it? G?
G, G, G.
Good job. And how about this letter? What letter is this? What letter is it?
I.
No, this way.
I.
No, don't look at it that way, Salito.
I.
Don't look at it that way.
I.
No, it's an H. What? How does H go? Good job.
Oh.
What letter is this?
O.
Do you know how the O goes? What does it sound like?
Ooh.
Ooh or ah or O?
I did that one.
What letter is this?
B.
How's the B go?
B. B.
Good job.
W.
How do you want the W?
W.
What letter is this?
R. Ooh.
Good job.
W.
You want a W? Where's a W?
I just found it. I found it.
You found it? Oh, that's an M upside down.
I found it.
What's the W sound like?
Yeah.
No. W. Good job.
It's the right.
And which one is this one?
It's D.
Good job.
It's the right. It's the right.
How about this one?
Huh?
What letter is this?
It's D.
A D. What does D sound like?
The.
D. Hold on, lindo. What letter is this? F. What's the F sound like? Good job. Very good. What letter is this?
W.
No, W's on the other side. What's the J sound like? Good job.
Huh. C.
What's this one? This one, lindo. What's the V sound like? Good job. And what's this? What's this, Salito?
I.
This one. The one a P. And what's a P sound like? Huh? Salito, what's a P sound like? Salito, what's a P sound like?
I.
Let me see. That's an H, lindo. Hold it this way. Hold it. H right there. Yeah.
I.
Lindo, what letter is this?
K.
What's a K sound like? What's a K sound like? Salito, what's a K sound like? Good job.
Mommy.
Yes, lindo.
Huh.
What's this one?
Pen, Mommy. Pen.
What's this one?
Pen. It's the Y.
What's a Y sound like?
Yeah. The Y.
Good job. Very
Mommy,
good.
your pen.
Okay, lindo.